What's up guys, thanks for clicking on the video. I'm assuming y'all are watching this around the time of the upload, which is October, and October means that fall is here. I'm sure y'all have seen some Halloween decorations around the neighborhood, and I'm also sure that y'all have seen something pumpkin spice on just about every single menu at every single restaurant. That being said, in this video I set out to see if bass love pumpkin spice as much as we do, and by looking at this empty package right here, I can assure you that they do. Here's all the torn up flukes that the bass killed in this. So let's hop into the video. That one. There we go. He ate the bottom one. We get multiple camera angles. I'll come over to you. Nice little largemouth bass right there. See him? On this rod. On a donkey rig, which is all tangled up. Put another clip of what it's supposed to look like in the video, but there we go. Alright, here's what the actual rig is supposed to look like. This is called the donkey rig. It's a double fluke rig. You got one swivel that's free swinging on the braid right here. You put the swivel on, you tie another swivel on. You got like a 12-inch leader and like an 18-inch leader, so they're at separate lengths, so that they, whenever they're in the water, they do like this action right here. They go like, and that's what I've been catching them on. Should I switch to the pumpkin spice color? I'm gonna do it. Switch to pumpkin spice. All right, guys, we're gonna switch up to pumpkin spice flukes. If you got a girlfriend or a sister or a mom obsessed with Starbucks, you know about the pumpkin spice craze going on right now. Literally every coffee place, anything has pumpkin spice something on their menu now, because fall time is coming, or it is fall right now basically. But let's see if the bass love pumpkin spice as much as my girlfriend does. I'm gonna catch one right here. More annoying, but did you get that on video? Yes. He liked the pumpkin spice right there. Pumpkin spice eater right there. He went airborne for it. That was cool. That's what they do. Alright, let's keep walking. Come on. Go. Ah! Let's go. Hit the front one. Another pumpkin spice Starbucks fish. Take a look, take a look. Come take a look. Get a little up close shot. Right in the roof of the mouth right there. On the pumpkin spice fall edition, Starbucks edition, coffee edition, flukes. Here we go. Freaking 10-pounder. 10-pounder right there. Bloop. I know them fish would like that pumpkin spice, because my girlfriend likes it. Ready? We're gonna get an elusive waterfall bass right here. See the waterfall? Elusive waterfall bass on the pumpkin spice. Fluke. Maybe not. gonna go that way. I got one. Bro, I was pulling a backlash out. That's ridiculous. He's built good. He's tall and smallmouth, fat fish. Right there.
Pumpkin spice, everything nice.
Exactly. I bet I can catch a bunch back here, but I didn't bring the baits. Alright, here we go. Fish, brother, all right here. I know. Got one. I told you. Rah. Another pumpkin spice eater right there. They're all eating the front one, just like yesterday. Here we go, guys. Y'all see him? Another beautiful largemouth bass. Bloop. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. Oh, I am. Certified. Hinkle.Fishing certified master at catching bass. You're Hinkle.Fishing Junior. Oh, I had one. Dang it. Look what he did to my bait. Tearing up the pumpkin spice right there. These fish all just got to be some Starbucks lovers. Coffee drinkers for sure. Got one. Ah. Another one. He ate the back one. First backside eater right there. A little bit smaller. Dinkosaurus Rex right there, 10-pounder. 10-pounder. We can start walking back this direction. Alright, 2 fish on the board. Jesus. I might have got that on video. Oh, I'm definitely putting that in the video. Oh, I had one. See? Dang it. Cast right where I just was. I want you to steal my fish. Please steal my fish. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now, pop it. You got one. Let's go. I got that on video. Let's go. Johnny the Bass Slayer. There we go. Show him. Show him. Show him how it's done. Oh, don't hook yourself. Show him in the mouth. Oh yeah. Here's the color Johnny is throwing. Little shad imitation. Let him go, Johnny. Hinkle.Fishing Jr. right here. Deuces. Deuces. Johnny's got his own little setup right here. A little Dobbins Colt 704. I'm throwing a Sam Sobey 724. Let me show y'all. Right here's what we're throwing, guys. A little pumpkin spice super Zoom salty super fluke. Pumpkin spice is the color. It's like orange, fades to brown, got black and gold flake in it, and they are crushing it. I don't know if it's because it's October, you know, pumpkin spice is the theme of October, I think. Alright, come on. This is where we gotta go, because I didn't fish back here at all. I caught that one, and then I had to leave. I feel like you'll have more luck than me back here now with the Slim J. I think they are. They're just white ducks. Got one. There we go. Friggin' 10-pounder again. Let's go, baby. Oh. $10-pounder. Fish? Big fish? Uh-oh. How big? Big? How big? Big? No way. Let's see.
That's like a stick.
Is it a stick or a fish?
It's a fish.
Oh! Oh, he's good!
Oh.
Dang! Get him up here. Get him up here. Out the mud. Here we go.
Let's go.
That's a good one. See? See, you wanted to leave. We don't do that. We don't do that. See if my bait's in his mouth, bro. Come on, it just broke off. Got one. Oh, I had one too. We gotta double up. That's a chunk.
Look at 1, 2.
Yeah, that's a good one. It's probably a 2-pounder. He's fat. He's a healthy
He
one.
looks like a smallmouth.
I know they're built good. They're healthy.
You want me to release him?
Yep. There he goes.
Whoa.
Oh, there he goes.
As soon as I hit the water, he bit it.
Yeah.
So I was like, gosh, there's no snag. And I started doing it, going like, and I was like, whoa!
Got one.
You missed?
Uh-uh.
Whoa!
Haha.
Pumpkin spice latte.
Pumpkin spice latte. Always getting me soaking wet. Probably soaking the camera. He's a single scoop. Single scoop of ice cream right there. Walk around. Oh, that was sick. Oh my gosh. That was a bass. That was probably like the same size as yours. Holy crap. I just ripped it out of his mouth, bro. Watch, I bet he's right here still. Yeah, he did. Oh. Yeah, he took my bait off the hook. I don't got any more flukes.
No.
I do, it's not in the same color. Dang it, that was sick. That guy is a fiend for pumpkin spice right there. He wants it. Johnny's got a big one. I'm coming.
Another nice one.
GoPro's about to die, but it says it has 0%. Here. There we go. Throw them all the way through the grass. Give them a good toss over there. Oh, don't hook yourself.
Goodbye.
Gonna go one pink, one pumpkin spice for the ladies. Know what I'm saying? All right, pink and orange. Let's see. Got one. Oh, got him. On the pink. Oh, I think I had two. Look. Both of the hooks are bent, like down. No way. I could have had two. On the pink. Sir. Bruh. Okay. Let's head on back. Success. Alright, success.
The moral of the story,
We're gonna make a donkey rig TikTok.
Jared says last cast he means 5 casts. Main important number 2. Jared, catch your donkeys.
Hey, if you